Small lags are okay, not the big. Just give me a second, okay? Just give me 1 second. 1 second. One second. One second. I hope yesterday a lot of people earned a good profit because exactly what I said happened. One second. Last. Hello, user. Hello. Sorry. I was doing some things. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Welcome to the ZBit live stream. My name is Yash Pawar. And exactly what I said yesterday, that I can see a head and shoulder pattern, and from the neckline, we'll have a very huge downfall of the market. And exactly that thing happened. I hope a lot of you have earned a good amount of profit, same like me. Yesterday was a good profit day. Yesterday we got a nice profit. You can clearly see what good downfall a market had, what a good downfall a market had, exactly from the place. And today again, this is a second first yeah second third this is a third live stream in the app, and I want to tell you this will be the third day of us earning profit. Okay, every day, like I said to you, every day small profit we will earn. We won't go for big ones, we'll go for a very small profit every day. Got it? So today as well, we will check out the market, same like what I did for yesterday. I found head and shoulder pattern, and then we had a very good downfall, very good profit. I told you the take profit was this, but see, take profit I gave you this because of the liquidity equal lose, but it gave us more liquidity. That is good thing. Okay, I know profit was little less. I told you the take profit is less, and the target was like the downfall was more bigger. But you don't have to worry about that. Okay, like I said, this is a start. Okay, this is a start. I don't want to give you big trades. I want to give you small trades, small profits, so that we can build a trust with each other, so that we can have a bond each other. Then whenever I say something, then you will believe it. First, let me show you my work. Let me show you what I can do with the market. And then when everything goes right, then we will go for the big trades. Right now, let me just show you what I can do for all of you people, how much profit I can make you guys earn. Okay, got it? So, and one more thing, see, every capital is different. Okay, whenever you take a trade, someone is taking by $50, someone is using $1,000, someone is using $10-20, right? Every capital account is different. So I would request you all people, whenever I say take a trade, please mention your capital account as well, like with what kind of amount you want to trade, so that I can help you with the leverage as well, like what kind of leverage you should take, what kind of quantity you should buy, how much will be your expected profit, and every of those things. So do not forget, because I tell very common answer, because I don't know the specific, you don't comment, so I don't know what capital you have. If you comment your capital, according to that capital, I will tell you every details, the leverage, the margin, your SL, and every of those things, so that you can be safe. Because Just for an example, if I am investing with 1000 and you are investing with 100, my SL will be different according to my investment. By 1000 I can go for SL of almost like, let's say, $200 or $300. That can be my SL because I'm investing 1000, I'm hoping to get $1500 or $2000. You people are maybe investing 100 only, so your SL might be different than me. So please, whenever you take a trade with my trade, whenever I tell you go for a trade, please also mention your capital so that I can help you with your leverage, your SL, your take profit is same for everybody. The SL and the leverage matters according to your capital. Got it? So yes, this is a day 3 where again I'm going to show you my skills of market analysis, and I am giving opportunity as well that if you want to learn this, you can ask me on the comment section. This live stream is not just like I will come, I will give you trade and you will take a trade. No, this is also a learning session where you can ask me regarding anything and I can. Yes, yes, thank you so much. May I know your name, user 224597? It would be nice to have a two-way conversation. My name is Yash Pawar, and I am very glad to be a part of this live stream and help you all guys regarding every of this platform. Okay, so let's introduce each other. My name is Yash. May I know what's your name? And we will and soon I will be opening, like today or tomorrow I'll be opening my Telegram account, and I will give you all guys my link so that you can join and we can have a Telegram community as well, because I come live stream 4 hours. After 4 hours, if some big movement comes, I can update you at the Telegram as well. Got it? Okay, so my name is Notch. I am really sorry if I'm pronouncing it bad. Is it? I think it's Notch from Nigeria. Thank you so much for joining this live stream, Notch. Welcome to the live stream of Zebe. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Okay, today as well we'll do the same thing. Right now market is not making any movement, so we have time. Okay, we have time. Till that time, when we have time, you deposit as much as amount you can deposit, so that when we take a trade you don't have to do the extra stuff of deposit and blah blah blah. You will be ready to take a trade. So all the people who are joining this live stream, I request you to deposit, and then whenever we get a trade, I will inform you guys and we will take a trade at that time. Okay, and for today I was thinking that I will teach you regarding a little bit of chart patterns. Like same, like see, this is a chart pattern. This is not a some market analysis. This is chart pattern. Okay, there are several other common chart pattern which we have seen in the market a lot of time. Okay, so I will be talking about chart pattern as well today. Like what are the common ones, how to find them, how to identify them, and how to take a trade with them. If you spot, then what can be your entry, what can be your SL, what can be your take profit, everything I'll be talking about on this live stream today. Before that, let me just tell you just one thing for all my YouTube, because we are going live on app as well, we are going live on YouTube as well. So for all the YouTube people who are joining the live stream via YouTube, I want to tell you, Zbit is a crypto exchange platform in which we are giving the best of best opportunity for all the people to start their crypto journey. Do not forget that on the Zbit platform, compared to the other public blockchains, like public platforms like Binance, OKYX, and every of those things, we offer a very market at a very cheap price, like almost 100 to 150 to 160 $70 less price we offer to you about the value of Bitcoin. You might check on the like in the Binance, the Bitcoin price may little different, and on the this our app, Zbit app, it might be $10 to $20 cheaper. So you have an opportunity to buy something at a little cheap price, not a big $100, but even $100 is like a lot, right? So do not forget to download the Zbit and start your crypto journey, because I am waiting for you, and I am waiting for you to grow your wallet, your bank account, your every of those things. And trust me, with my help, it will be possible. Hello, new user. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the live stream of ZB. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Yash, and we are looking at my yesterday's profit. This is my yesterday. What happened? I told you this is the head and shoulder pattern suggesting a downtrend, and after the neckline we got entry, and you can clearly see my take profit was very small. Okay, just this, but it went too deep, too deep. That's good. That's good. That's fine. Okay, just a second. Do not forget to deposit, guys. Do not forget to deposit. Deposit is important because if you don't deposit, then how are you going to take a trade? Let's go by it. Okay, this was yesterday's thing, and same thing we saw in everywhere. We saw in Ethereum as well. Even Ethereum got a very huge downfall of the market. Same. Even Solana had a dump. Okay, Solana was also making a head and shoulder pattern, by the way. Okay, Solana was also making head and shoulder pattern. This was Solana's head and shoulder pattern. This is shoulder, this is head, and this is another shoulder. And from there, the neckline itself, we got a breakout. Okay, yesterday Solana was having the same thing, same, but we didn't take trade on Solana. We were focusing on BTC future trade. Okay, we are doing a BTC future contract. Do not forget this as well. Like we are doing BTC's future contract, not this. Okay, and XRP also had a good dump in the market. Just delete it, delete. XRP was not showing the head and shoulder pattern, but every you have seen this one thing. I have noticed this one thing that BTC, Solana, and XRP, sometime Ethereum, not all the time, but sometime Ethereum, they have a very common movement. Very common movement. If BTC is been overbought, then Solana and XRP is also been overbought. If Ethereum is overbought or oversold, then Solana and XRP is also been overbought or oversold. That's what we have observed a lot in this market. That similar kind of movement happens. What happened? Why? Why connection? Why connection gone? Why? What happened to the connection? Okay. Okay, we are back. We are back. Okay. Tomorrow I'll do it. We I good thing for people that see, we have mixed users. We have users from Nigeria as well. We have users from India as well. So we were thinking about doing a subtitles so that whenever I speak something, even in Hindi or in English, so that you can have a subtitle for that. So you can understand what I'm trying to say. Not translation, subtitles. Subtitle it is there? Subtitles, yes. I will help you try later. For sure, for sure, for sure. Let's go. Let's go. A good dump always comes when a market is needing a liquidity. Liquidity basically when there is, let's say, that market is trying to collect a lot of good money to jump high. It's same like what tiger does. Tiger never hunts straight. He will take 4 to 5 step backs, hide himself, wait for that moment, and then jump to it. That's exactly what market traits are, the same trait market has. Whenever market wants to give you another good jump in the market, they always and always try to take 4 to 5 step backs. That step backs is basically our downtrend. Okay, whenever there is a new big movement is about to come, we always see such kind of movements, like a good downfall in the market. And now you have seen this one thing. Now see, I told you, the lower wicks, the more bigger, the best liquidation position is exactly at that moment. Now you can clearly see that this lower wick is too big right now, too big. This lower wick just indicates that next time market will try to go below this level to collect liquidity, because he knows, like, rejection came. Rejection means what? If red candle is going down, 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 reach the most lowest point, and that from that exact point, if it is going up, that means heavy buying is happening. Market had a bottom rejection. That means a lot of people kept on buying, 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 buying. Now if lot of people are buying, then that means they have their SL somewhere below that level, either that exact level or somewhere below that level. So for sure and sure, market will try to, again, see, I'm not saying in it will happen today, it will happen tomorrow or something like that. It will happen soon. Like market may give a like little pullback to this original position, to its average size, and then again will try to go down to collect that liquidity from there. Same thing what they did, same thing exactly what they did over here. No, okay, actually we are watching Bitcoin BTC. One second. BTC perpetual contract. Yeah, same thing what they did. Two liquidity position they gave you. Okay, like this is that place where you can have and earn a good amount of liquidity. This was a trap for all people. You might have noticed this one thing. See, this is a plane. This is just a line. Okay, this is not anything. This is just a line. You have seen, might have noticed this one thing. Market will come down. From that exact thing again went up, come down. From exact that same thing again went up. Now, first time it went up, second time it went up. People have this confidence that maybe third time again will market come and I will go for buy position at that point. And market also shows you a little buy movement, a little half sized. After that thing, a good downfall. Why? Because it trapped you all people over there. First time he gave you chance, second time he gave you chance, third time it trapped you. This is just luring you to the liquidity trap, that I am fooling you and you are getting fooled in this situation. And I'm giving you one very yeah, shit. Yeah, and I'm giving you one very good example for it. Just a second. Whenever there are, like, we see that there are candles, right? Candle has 3 4 components. This is a body which has open and close, and then this is upper wick and lower wick, which is basically your H and L, right? Now when you see that the lower or upper wick is too long, something like this, something like this is normal, these are normal. Okay, the normal lower wicks, if there is no lower wick, that is also fine. Normal, you can see, simply find out by this is normal, this is normal. But this is too long for a body. Okay, more than twice thrice size of the body, lower wick you can spot. What happened? अरे यार. Hmm, fine. So whenever you see such longer wick, we are getting that opportunity to see that we are in that liquidity zone that we can take advantage of. If you spot something that something is going to go wrong, obviously, like if you, for example, if you're going on a hill, going on a hill, it's a plain road, but you see some rock is coming down for that, and it will, if you don't put a brake, you will get under that rock. So the people who see, they put a brake. The people who don't see, they don't put a brake. And so trap is exactly the same thing. Notice the signals which market is giving to you. And it is very easy because, as I told you, market is a very repetitive place. It repeats himself a lot. More and more and more. He will just keep on repeating. These are the same things which is kept on repeating. The longer weeks, and the equal. Being equal makes it more evident to be a trend. Sometimes they are not equal. Sometimes there are not two. Sometimes there is just one. Like right now, which is created right now, the lower week which is created is just one. Okay, just one. But usually there will be might be two equal lows, equal highs. This is one of the best way for you to identify the liquidity trap, so that market when makes such kind of movements, you will be aware of it. Okay, today let's just analyze a market a little, and after that we will see if we are having some movement to take or not. If you're having some trade to take, we will go for it. If we don't, then we will learn regarding a little chart patterns, because like I said, chart patterns helps you a lot in analyzing market. Chart pattern helps you a lot in knowing what kind of movement I should take. But chart pattern also tells you regarding a lot of stuff, like how to enter, where to enter, because entry point is one of those things which people feel like, I don't know where to enter, and whenever I wait, the entry point goes. So the chart pattern gives you three things accurately: your entry point, your SL, and your take profit. Okay, these are the things which it gives you the most, in most accurate way. But understand this one thing: nothing is permanent, or nothing is continuous in the market. Repetitive structure are continuous, I'm not denying that fact, but any chart pattern, any candlestick pattern which you see in the market are not permanent. Sometimes you may feel like a chart pattern is made and it is not giving you the movement. Okay, sometimes that thing also happens, and that is also one of the liquidity trap, because market knows one thing, that people are knowing about chart pattern. It's not just like me who knows chart pattern. Okay, it's not a secret knowledge, it is known for everybody. Now all the time people knows this one very specific thing: whenever a chart pattern forms, people enter, and then market reacts to that moment. Sometime it may be trap as well. Okay, so that's what we are going to learn today. I'm going to, like, if we don't, like, rather than wasting time on watching just market, we will see how to analyze a market, and I will tell you in the diagram way first, like what is this, what is the psychology behind it, and every of those things. And then we will see that exact chart pattern in the real market as well, what happened there, what kind of movement it gave. Sometime I will also show you if the chart pattern went wrong, or like it didn't even give us a movement, and every of those things. Okay, welcome new users, thank you so much for joining this live stream. My name is Yash, and since this is the third day I coming on the live stream. Okay, he went. No issues. No issues. Issues. Yesterday's take profit was very small, I feel, but it's fine. It's fine. It's actually fine. And even the yesterday's take profit was also a resistance. Can you see? It was equal lows. One second. We were having that equal low line. This was the equal low line. I knew that market would cross the situations to grab the liquidity from the market. After that, coming down, a little buy entry saw, because see, that's the market's behavior. One second, one second, one second, one second. Is it gonna be a wave theory? I can teach you regarding wave theory right now if you want, because I feel this can be a wave theory, like first wave, second, third, fourth will come somewhere here, fifth will try to go down, and then we can have that ABC. Hmm. It is possible. Why not? It is definitely possible. It may can happen like that, because evidently first and second wave we have seen, third longest wave is also there, and fourth corrective wave is also coming. So let me just start today by telling you regarding five wave theory. What is five wave theory? What happens in five wave? What is the behavior of a five wave theory, so that you can also understand this kind of movements in the market. Okay. Recharge and take trade. Okay, first recharge your account, deposit as much as you want. Till then, let me just see what we can see in the market, because I'm getting like, see, this was head and shoulder pattern till here. Okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's head and shoulder pattern. If I ignore this thing over here, then that becomes my this as a first line, but this also can be my first, second, third, fourth, and this is the fifth. Maybe now corrective wave will come. Let's go and see a little lower time frame. It will give me a good understanding in lower time frame, whether it is second, third, or what. Mm-hmm. Let's go in 10 minutes. I don't have 10 minutes. I'll go in 15 minutes. Then. One, two, one, two, three. Now 1 hour. Let's come back to the 1 hour. Head and shoulder pattern. To add this. Compare, no compare. I want to. PTC perpetual contract. This is the one, right? Swap. Yes, I will add it. Delta Exchange India. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Yeah, I read that thing. This is perpetual. This is a normal. Let's add everything as a perpetual thing. Do we have everyone's perpetual Ethereum perpetual contract? Okay, bikes. Let's add everything. Binance. Done. Perpetual contract of Solana as well. Solana P perpetual contract of Solana Delta Exchange. But Binance don't have perpetual contract of this. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We'll have for this. RP as well. Perpetual contract. He had Binance is XRP. Uh, XRP's perpetual contract, but not Solana's. Why? Let's have this. All the perpetual contracts. Because we only do future trading, so it's better to just shift to the future trading rather than just later something else. Okay. Cool. So as I was talking about, like, let's understand a wave theory, or should we understand chart pattern? Chart pattern or wave theory? Right now wave theory is visible, that's why I was thinking like, what the thing which is visible, let's go for it. The thing which is not visible, let's not talk about it. I was thinking about that. But but let me just see if everybody is having a wave theory. If everybody has a wave theory, then I'll explain wave theory. Ethereum doesn't have a wave theory right now. Even Solana is not having a wave theory right now. Even XRP is not having a wave theory right now. It's only BTC who is having a perfect wave theory right now. Okay. Other than this, none of the other people are having a wave theory. So it's better. Let's talk about chart pattern today. We'll talk about each and every of the chart pattern, common ones, not every, because if you talk about every, then there are so many chart patterns. Okay, so many, and some of them are like not even like not even coming in the market. So we'll talk about those chart patterns which commonly comes in the market. I will help you to identify those chart patterns in the market and how to take a trade on them in the market. Okay. So but before that, let me just tell you one thing. But if I see an entry in the market, we will go for it. Right now market is in a very, that like, see, once a market gives a very big movement, this was a big movement, okay, big downfall of the market. After the big downfall of the market, most the common time market will try to give you sideways market. I don't trade in sideways market. Okay, I don't trade in sideways market. Sideways market is not good for trading. It will make you very confusing. Okay, because as retailers are there, I trade when there is either the chart pattern movement, something like this, or a big player has entered in the market. Okay, so most probably today it will be a sideways market, most probably. Okay, so to save our time, rather than just watching the market and seeing, we can do one thing, we can do one very specific thing. I will do the market analysis, that's not a worry. Before starting any of my topic, any of the chart pattern or any of the things, I will start the market analysis. We'll do all the market analysis. We'll see what we can expect in the market, what movement we can see in the market, what kind of trade we can take in the market. And after that, doing everything, we'll keep an alert on the market as well, that if our movement come or don't come, then we'll go for the trade. And the between time, we'll learn regarding chart patterns, how to identify them, what to do regarding them, and every of those things. But I'm very like eager to know like what actually happened. 1.17 billion liquidation sweep crypto market over the past day as the Bitcoin slide a spark broader sell-off. Cryptocurrency market saw roughly 1.7 billion in total liquidation in the past 24 hours. According to the public data aggregated on CoinGlass data showed that 1.7 billion in the liquidation, about 1.62 billion came from the long position. Lot of people, 1.62 billion dollar was on the long position. Can you just imagine 1.2? If you sum up everybody's trade, it was almost 1.62 billion who all the people went for long position. Even though they saw the market was having a head and shoulder pattern, I don't know why they went for this. Came from long position. Within the past 4 hours alone, roughly 1.09 billion was liquidated in just past 4 hours alone, including about 1.06 in the longs. In the past 24 hours, over 4 lakhs 4,000 traders were liquidated, with the total liquidation reaching to 1.7. The largest single liquidation order was 12.74 million BTC USDT swap on OKX, according to the data. Yeah. Liquidation occurs when trader positions, is particularly market, are forcibly closed due to the insignificant losses or insufficient margin to meet the maintenance requirement. The liquidation prices are typically based on the public available data, which may significantly understate the true extent of the market liquidation. In many cases, API limits and incomplete reporting practice results. Got it. It just yesterday we got liquid. That's the whole this news is regarding. Okay. Global liquid rocket. Nothing. Why they are crashing today? Crypto market is starting a comparison with the. Yeah, despite that it fall. What did initially expect? Yes. Yes, this can be the reason because institutional people may have been backed out from stacking. I told you this one very specific thing, that the value which is there in the market, institutional people, whenever they add their money to the market, that's what gives the value of anything. The Bitcoin, the Ethereum, Solana, XRP, whatever it is, that's what gives the market a good value. If they take out their stacking, whatever they invested, if they take out that money from the market, if they take out that money from the market, then like the same thing will happen, obviously, a downfall. Their money is what holding the value of the Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of those things. Okay, their money. If they don't put their money, if they take it out, the price will drop. Or just imagine if every of the institutional people took out the money, the Bitcoin will again come to $1, $2, $3. Okay, it just when this institutional, all the Bitcoin value, it will be depending on when this institutional people will be taking out their money. How long are they stacking? What kind of stacking are they doing? And every of those stuffs. It depends only and only on that one specific thing. Okay. Mhm. Ethereum is also under pressure. Commission stalling of the institutional will withdraw from the stack instead. What? Ethereum is moving on to centralized exchange. Crypto ETF inflow wane weakens the. Hmm. This is interesting thing. This is very interesting thing. That even after Fed doing that, this thing exactly happens. Very interesting thing. That institutional people are backing off because Ethereum is moving on to a centralized exchange. Okay, increasing supply and adding of the selling pressure. I have told you this yesterday as well. More the supply, higher chance of the market to fall off. If you have a lot to sell, then there won't be any demand. Basically, it's fine. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. There won't be any whatever that news said. Basically, if I give you a very small gist of it, a lot of institutional people's money who was stacked into that market took out. It came out. Now this coming out, the money they took out of the market, they sold a lot of things, can be of 2 to 3 reasons. Either the market and the big players are together, that they wanted to make a lot of player exit from the market. Like basically the retail investor who went for the long, as I this told us that 1.07 billion people went for long, like $1 billion money was stacked for the long trade yesterday. But the whole market went downfall with the institutional people exiting their stacking. The stacking is very important. If they keep their money stacked, the value is stable. We will get volatility, $1,000 $2,000 volatility, that's not an issue, but the value will be stacked. It won't be such kind of downfall of the market. Okay, make sure this one very specific thing, that whenever you see an institutional people entering in the market, be prepared to take a trade according to what they are doing, not opposite. Not we don't have to take trade against them, but we have to take trade with them. And science will come, obviously science will come. It will make you understand that now something is gonna happen, a big is gonna happen. Like yesterday, head and shoulder pattern we saw, and we knew something, a big downfall may come in the market, but we went for a small profit because we wanted to. Crypto market crash, our US bond yields the real reason. But whenever I feel this one thing, as compared to us, we are retail investors. Compared to us, institutional and corporate people's money is more stacked in the market, and they are not even taking it out. Okay, they are not even taking it out. So if the market crashes, that's a lot of loss for them. Compared to us, they have more loss because their money is stacked, their whole value is dropping down. Because we know some people may have bought it at 116, 117, 118, and now when the value drops like this, when the market reaches to the bottom of 112, their holding value, their yield value decreases, which gives them a loss. Even though they have bought it at the most cheapest price, not everyone bought it at the cheapest price. Okay, few people, they keep on buying. As we know, Metaplan added more, the MicroStrategy added more, a lot of people added more Bitcoin in their holding. And when this kind of drop comes in the market, their holding is having a very negative impact on the market. Okay, so let's just go and analyze the market. I will delete this thing, or I will just let it keep it. Let's just go and identify what we may can expect in the market today. This was yesterday's thing. Now let's see what we can expect in the market in the today's scenario. Okay, what kind of trade we can have and every of those things. According to me, I really feel, according to me, like I'm getting confused in two scenarios. Okay, today if I look at a 1 hour time frame chart pattern, I see first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. Okay, and this is ABC might continue. My other scenario is also telling me, what if this is not the first wave, this is the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave will be more down, and ABC will happen. Because see, if you look at the market price right here, the market came till this point, this much liquidation has happened. First this got liquidated, then second got liquidated. To be very very frank, market doesn't have any more thing to liquidate in the downside. Okay, in a downside there is nothing more left to liquidate. Everything was already liquidated. You might have seen, whenever a big movement comes, the downfall also is there. Big movement comes, a downfall always there. Big movement comes, a downfall always there. You might have seen this one thing, whenever a market is having a very good investment, good investment, good investment, where is it? Yeah, a good investment, a good investment, a good investment. More, I will give you example. Okay, a good investment. That all good investment, whenever is being take, like a big player takes that investment, that gets liquidated very easily. Very easily, it gets liquidated. See, a good investment came with a big candle, got liquidated. Big investment came with big candle, got market went and again came down to the starting position and got liquidated. Okay, again the same scenario, a good investment came, again came down to that point, got liquidated. Okay, now this has to be get liquidated. Okay, this has not yet got liquidated this point. It will in the future, it will again a good, this is a good investment, it will get, it is going, it will get liquidated eventually. Like if I just put a line, okay, I will give you all the lines which will supposed to get liquidated. Okay, you will see all the lines, all the lines. Let's start from here. Okay, let's start from here. A very good investment, right? Now I will show you, this is the point where it entered, it got tapped in, liquidated. Okay, now let's go for the next one. This was a very good investment, started from here, got liquidated. Now the next thing, this was a good investment, started from here, tapped in, it got very close to get liquidated, but in the future, right now in the point, it may get liquidated as well. Okay, then this was a very good investment till here, the half was liquidated, and that is also fine, that is also fine. Okay, it got liquidated. Now there is another good investment, liquidated, good investment, liquidated, the line is already there. Okay, you can clearly see till now point, everything, whenever there are a big movement in the market, they all get liquidated very easily, very easily. And that's how a market is working, that's how exactly market works. This was a very good investment till now point, it was not liquidated, market was up, the whole time market was up. And after, like, let's say months and months, month and month came and it got liquidated after months and months. And that is okay, because that's what market does. You gave a market money, the market will liquidate that money to have a profit. Very simple, very easy. We just have to check for a lot of liquidity point. Now I just want to see if there is something more left for market to liquidate. This is one point. Okay, this is truly one point where market will in future will tap into this line and come back again to this line to liquidate this. It is going to happen, but Is there anything in the downside which is supposed to get liquidated, which needs to get liquidated, which has not been liquidated till now point? Yes, there is. Okay, this is that a good buying which has not been liquidated till now point. This is that point. It started from here and it ended at this point. Now this is that point. Can you see? Arya, one second, one second. Now this is that one of the old buying which market has not yet liquidated. Not yet liquidated. If I keep on going, you won't see market came down to this point till now. Till now, it tried, but till now, this thing has not been liquidated, which gives us a signal, gives us a probability. If something is not liquidated in the market, maybe market will more eventually by, I don't know when, but eventually will come down, try to liquidate this scenario, and again will try to jump up. It is a possibility, it is a very good possibility in the market that this situation can get liquidated. Also this situation, because rest of the stuff is already liquidated, like this point, this point, this point, you can clearly see already liquidated, already all the lines are matching and already are getting liquidated. Only these two last lines are still there, which has not been liquidated till now point. So highest probability, I really feel like, see, I'm not giving you commitment regarding a downfall. I'm not giving commitment that now a downtrend will start, now a downtrend is going to start or something like this. I'm not giving commitment regarding that. I'm just giving you an information which I can see in the market, that market is having this 2 points which can get liquidated. These are the 2 points which can be liquidated in the market and which has not been liquidated till now point. Till now point, it has not been liquidated. So it is a possibility that market may can get liquidated at this one very specific point. Okay, so we have to be very uh, open minded regarding what possibility is coming or is gonna come to the market. Any demand zone can we see near this point? From where demand came and market jumped up. This is a demand zone because we need right now a demand zone to be sure, like market might not take uh there are fair value gaps, but also for the downside as well. So just going by fair value gaps won't make a scene, won't make a better understanding. I'm trying to find some demand zone at this point so that we will be sure that if there is no demand zone, then the falling is for very sure. But if it's there, if that demand zone is right there, then we can go for it. We can definitely go for those situations for entry points. Let's go for higher zone, bros. Let's start from the 1 day so that, see that the line which we made is actually a 1 day demand zone right over here, which is not being liquidated till now point. Till now point is not been liquidated. Whole market is sitting at the fair value gap. Anything can happen. Anything is a possibility. This is a 1 hour demand zone. 1 hour demand zone is okay to be mentioned. I feel 1 hour demand zone should be noted, and also the fair value gap which is going till here. Maybe see, even though the market took rejection from this point. Okay, this point. This was the point where market took rejection. It is not a demand zone, for very sure. This is not a demand zone. Demand zone is this. If I have to make a demand zone, then my demand zone will be on the market. 1 hour market will be this, which worked best. One time, good demand came down, went up, and from the demand zone, again the market started going up. Okay. Hello, new user. Welcome to the live stream of the Zero. Thank you so much for joining it. I am doing a market analysis, looking for some trades, looking if I can take a trade. Same like yesterday. I gave you one very good trade yesterday about the downfall of the market. If you were not on the live stream, really sorry that you should be joining it, because every day I'm giving you a profitable trades. It has been 2 days that I'm giving you the profitable trade. This is the third day again. I'm finding trade for all of you people. And while I'm finding, you can actually learn as well how to find it. So that, and see, if you have any language issues, please do tell me, क्योंकि मेरे को हिंदी भी आती है, मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ. अगर कुछ चीजें नहीं समझती है, कुछ चीजें थोड़ा नहीं समझ रहा कि ये डिमांड जोन, ये मैंने बॉक्स क्यों बनाया, ये डिमांड जोन क्या होता है, ये मैंने कल वो जो चार्ट पैटर्न बनाया था, हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न, वो कहाँ से आया, ये सब चीजें अगर जाननी है तो प्लीज मेक श्योर करना कि यार कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएं. अगर आप कमेंट सेक्शन में नहीं बताओगे तो मुझे लगेगा कि यार आपको सब कुछ आता है ऑलरेडी पहले से. ठीक है. तो अगर जानने की चाह रखते हो, सीखने की चाह रखते हो, तो प्लीज प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताना कि क्या चीजें आपको समझनी है, क्या चीजें आपको करनी है. ठीक है. ओके. 'Okay. So 1 hour demand, 1 day, on the 1 day we have spotted a demand zone, which is good respect. Maybe in the, maybe it will try to touch that demand zone. Okay, maybe it will try to come till this level of the market, till this level, to easily liquidate all this thing till now. But it is already been liquidated. It is already been liquidated. 107 was the line, no? Yeah, this was the thing. But nah, I don't think so. One second, what happens to my camera? It's turning off so much. So the demand zone. One hour demand zone we are sitting at. Fair values are too big to be considered as a fair value gap. This is one till here, the fair value gap is there. But again, same thing, too big for the consideration. But still, we have a demand zone. Maybe we can expect the market to travel back to its demand zone where it was, which is 109 to 107 level. Okay, 109 to 107 level is the point where market may can come back to grab that demand zone and can go and make another all-time high or something like that. Okay, it is a possibility, even though we are having some rejection from right now, even though we are having some bottom rejection. You can see from the market, this was a bottom rejection from where a buying started to happen. That may be possible because of the cheap price people are getting every of those things. Okay, it may be possible because of the cheap price market is having, and they want to go for extreme buy at this point. But still, like, it doesn't look like market is going for like, the day has not ended till now, so we can't help it. But I really feel this one very specific thing, that even though in the afternoon a buying pressure is coming to get it up, but I feel the market can touch to this point, to the demand zone of the market, can touch to the demand zone of the market. This is a 1 day demand zone, and it's a very good demand came from the market from that point. This is a 1 day demand zone. If the market comes to this point again, then we can expect another all-time high of the market. That is expected in the market. Okay, at least till this point they should come. Okay, that's all I can see in the just demand zone I can see, because see, I see fair value gaps, but these fair value gaps are not enough. They're not even good to be represented, and no chart pattern is also visible. Not a single chart pattern. Like, it's just this, then a top, and then another top. Doesn't even look like any. It is trying to make any chart pattern. These are the normal things only. These are normal thing. One, two, three. No, it's not even making a wave theory over here. Okay, in any way, in any scenario I see, just not making any chart pattern or anything which I can spot in the market. Okay, it's just one demand zone on the 1 day. Let's go for 4 hours of the market. If you look at the 4 hour of the market, and this is that 1 hour demand zone in the market, but like I said to you, till here we got liquidated. This overall investment got liquidated till half is still left. This is still left, which is triggering me to think that maybe a downfall, more extreme downfall, may come in the market, because this part is yet to get liquidated. According to the market, what it does, it needs to get liquidated. Every point is getting like you can clearly see the whole thing got liquidated again. This was completely liquidated, and again from there went up. This small part they left, which is a questionable thing. And also, in a future, this is also there to, to liquidate. Can we hope to see a downfall of the market? A good downfall, not a normal one, but a very great downfall of the market, which can make the whole market kind of a crash, because we were at 112, 124 was the last highest. Every people say that 130 is possible by the end of this, by the end of that, by the end of this, which is making a lot of, see, news gets you trapped a lot of time in unwanted trades. They will say you this is happening, that is happening, go for buy, 130 is gonna come. But where is 130? When is 130 gonna come? Where is 130 gonna come? 130 is not gonna come over here, obviously. But in 4 hours, okay. One possible explanation. This is 4 hour fair value gap right over here from where the rejection has happened. Okay. So this rejection might be someone's limit order is placed over at that point. This is what we can see in the market in 4 hours. I will just write it over there. This is 1 day demand zone. Okay. And this is a 4 hour FVG. 4 hour FVG we can spot in the market. What else? 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 Till where are the people thinking to liquidate? Till where? Because if I see that point now where they want to try to liquidate it, I can clearly go and make an entry over there. But it is confusing as we don't know till where they can liquidate. From fair value gap that they already took a little rejection from the market. Okay, sometime it goes positive, sometime it goes negative. This heavy peak, see in the 4 hours, if you watch this candle, in a 4 hours, if you watch this candle, it's making a doji candle. Doji is always indecision candle, indecision. That market cannot decide whether to go for buy, whether to go for sell. Market is not able to decide that thing. Okay, that's why they make such kind of candles over here, such kind of candles. Peak rejection is happening, bottom rejection is all happening, body is becoming small because of constant fight between market, between buyers and sellers is right now happening at that. Seller wants you to go down, buyer wants to buy, because buyers are hoping for a cheap entry, because market is at a cheap price right now. Even if it goes back to this original or average price, they can have a very good amount of profit from here. But what if market idea is to liquidate more? They, what if they are not satisfied with 1.17 billion, 1.7, sorry, 1.7 billion? What if they're not satisfied with that kind of liquidity? Mhm. Mhm. What does pivot? It will say to go sell side only. Obviously, obviously, it is on the top. for sell. Not yet changing. Not yet changing. We won't be able to see any divergence at this straight drop. At the straight drop, we never see any divergence. Divergence are very hard to find at a straight drop. But if it goes up, then this can be my target 1114. 114. Because of the fair value gap it exists, a little pushback can come from the market. But is it gonna go up? That is a question. Let's go for 3 hours. What we can expect in the market in 3 hours. 3 hours market is still going down. It is not going up. The market is still going down in 3 hours. We can still see the downfall to the downfall to the downfall of the market. Right now, again, like I said to you, fair value gap plus demand zone is also over here. This is 3 hour demand zone from where a good demand came in the market, made a very big candle, very big candle. 4 hour fair value gap. And a small, this is just a 4 hour fair value gap, but a small demand zone, 3 hour small demand zone of the market is also there. But do you think that demand zone is gonna work? I really don't think so. Supply zone, supply, yeah. Just a simple, very clean, simple and very clean downfall in the market. Simple and very clean. How to expect? What to expect? What to expect? What to expect? Complete dome. 2 hours. 2 hours. Wow. It's 2 hours of market. Fair value gap 4 hour is perfect. A downfall, a downfall, a downfall. One hour sets a very good fair value gap. Now this fair value, if I make this big fair value gap, now that won't make any any sense. That won't make any sense. Either there is some fair value limit orders placed at this point, which will get triggered the next time as well, because this Till here it came down already. Till here it came down already. Fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap. So many fair value gaps, fair value gaps, just fair value gaps. Industrial, institutional people entering in the market. That's it. That's it. Again, we are back to the 1 hour scenario. Tried to find a lot of stuff, but just ended up having 1 day demand zone, which is here, and 4 hour fair value gap. That's all. काली गाड़ी काला काम. I really feel like we should go till fair value gap sell. That's what I feel. Like we should go for sell side from here till the fair value gap, because fair value gap was the point where we had a rejection from there. Okay. What if the fair value gap rejection is done and we can have a more downfall of the market? I am thinking of going to the sell side. From here, we go sell and we reach till this point, just till this point, just to check. If this is successful, then we can hope to go for the demand zone. If a market comes back again, like for example, if the market comes to the fair value gap and from here again rejection happens, then we'll think of like not entering in the market if the rejection is big. But if the rejection is not big, then we can go for sell side from here. Okay. This is our fair value gap, which we will hope to see. But that's the red side. So like we can have a small trade. See, small trade as in first we will go for sell, come to this point. If the market gives up some rejection, same thing like this. If the market gives some rejection, one second. What happened? 1 billion liquidation in 1 hour. Worst crypto bloodbath in 2015. 1 billion got liquidated across exchanges less than 60 minutes. I gave you such a good trade yesterday. Like just go for sell. Just go for sell. That was my trade. The one of the greatest trade I will feel. This was one of my, I will put it in my one of my greatest trade. Just go for sell. Fear of one of the biggest card in it. This is from the abrupt fourth position affected in the market, rare but not hard. This kind of liquidity typical. Overly leveraged long positions are wiped. Overly leveraged long positions. 1 1 below, a decline below 1 1 1 would be even greater risk of falling down to 106. That's what I'm feeling. That this is exactly what I'm feeling. Why? Because the market needs to get liquidated. This is This is a demand zone. I really feel market will come back to its demand zone again, and even fall below that demand zone to liquidate these two small things, just this. Okay, from this point to this point might get liquidated very soon. What you say? Hmm. We'll check that later. I'll check that later. First, let me focus on the trade to take. I'm really thinking market can go for more downfall to downfall, more downfall. As you can clearly see, having, it is still coming down. It is still coming down. A lot of people are just doing sell, 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 sell. And I really feel let's go for a sell to the fair value gap. And after a fair value gap, once the market touches that fair value gap, a very small trade, just a very, very, very minute small trade we'll go for. Let me see some little bottom rejection, a little rejection. I will enter at that point, and from that point, I will go to see what if we have 32. If we go and see that there is a rejection from the fair value gap, then we might go for the target of fair value gap of the upside. Okay, this is 4 hour, this is 1 hour. If the market taps into this, has the rejection, then market will obviously travel to the fair value gap itself. Then that will be our buy trade. Okay, but right now we can do and we can go for is a sell trade, as the whole trend is telling us to go for sell. Right now, let's just go for a sell trade. That's what I feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth trade. Connect. Wanna go for the sell side. Okay, I've given you a trade. Okay, let's cancel this trade. Let's. It had a bottom rejection already. Nice, 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 nice. We can take. That's all. Okay, a very small trade, not a big one. Very small entry, because I really feel that market will again is trying to tap the fair value gap. Again, it will try to try the fair value gap because there might be some executed order left for a market to make. Okay, we'll try for that situation. Simply just enter at a red candle whenever you see a little bottom rejection, the market jumping little up. At that point, enter your target. Just keep the fair value gap line. This can be your target. Just the fair value gap line can be your target, which is basically your take profit is right now just 112050. Okay, TP. I will just write it TP. You can enter at whatever time you are entering. Okay, I am right now entering at TP. I'm just giving you TP will be 112050. Okay, I'm right now just giving you a TP. That's it. Take profit is right over here. Take profit, that's what I'm giving you. TP 112050. Entry, see, I entered very randomly. This is not a perfect trade to take, but you can go for a downside trade. I saw a little rejection from the bottom and I went for the trade. Okay, I really believe that market is trying to travel to the 4-hour fair value gap again in here. It is trying to travel to either execute some order or to have some rejection from there. Okay, but market is not ready to go up. That is for very sure. Right now market is not ready at all to go up, not ready at all to jump up. Market is not ready for that. So let's just go for a sell side. Yes, I can hear every news is talking about just that crypto leverage wiped out. All the leverage which was kept there for big trade have been wiped out from the market. I can see it. I know it. I know. I saw it. It's good that I went for a sell side. Very good. We will check a little bit, because if it has some rejection, then we have to exit our trade as well. But right now, please make sure that you are depositing your amount and deposit from the live stream thing itself. Okay, you don't have to go for a very quick thing, because sometimes what happens when I tell you a trade, there is not that much of time to enter in the market. Same like what happened right now. I entered in the market and you don't have that much time. Okay, so deposit from that icon itself. Like in the live stream, in this bottom there will be two options. One is deposit and one is a take a trade. So you don't have to exit, then deposit from that place and do every other sourcing. Simply you can go is tap on that deposit which is under the live stream. Whenever you see my screen, there will be one deposit option right there. You can just simply tap on the deposit option and everything will be solved. You don't have to go on the home page and every of those things to deposit. You can simply tap on from the live stream deposit. That's all. Okay, just tap on the live stream deposit and enter and take a trade. Okay, you don't go to the home page and everything. It will take a lot of your time until the point you are doing all this process. Maybe your entry will go. So it's better to do deposit from that one icon when you are watching the live stream app. That is made exactly for that specific thing. Because on the live stream, as you know, market can make any movement any point. So to be prepared, just tap on that one icon which will be saying as a deposit, so that you will save your time of going to that home page and then finding it and then doing it and blah 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 blah. It is better to come and deposit from that icon itself. Right now I have taken a sell side entry. Okay, right now I've taken a sell side entry for the market. I really feel that this is the fifth wave which is happening. This first wave, second wave, third, fourth, a little point went there, and fifth wave will come. I really feel fifth wave will come below this level. So I'm hoping to just have the fair value gap, because fair value gap is there. Already one rejection has been made from the fair value gap. So, like I told you, for 1 to 2 week, I will be giving you a very safe trade. I will show you my skills, what I can do, how much money I can make you earn. After that, we can take a risky trades where we can earn a lot good money. But right now, take it easy, go steady, steady, and have small profit every day. Okay. If people has not entered till now point, wait for a little bottom rejection. Okay, because as you can see, constantly candle is moving up, candle is moving down, candle is moving up, candle is moving down. That happens between, like, there are two options. There is a buy and there is sell. You can see, really see, there is a buy option, there is a sell option. Now some people are going for buy, some people are going for sell, some people are going for buy, some people are going for sell. And right now, trust me, if you're going for a buy, you are the most stupidest person on the planet Earth, because you cannot read the room. The room says market's trying to go down, and one thing I really feel, market is trying to travel to the demand zone. Okay, it is not traveling just for the fair value gap. I really think the market wants to travel down to the 1 day demand zone, which was holding the complete market. Okay, that's what I really like. It's just a belief. I'm not saying it can happen exactly the way it is, but it's just my belief that I really feel market is trying to travel to the demand zone of 1 day. 1 day demand zone market is trying to travel. 1 day, 1 day demand zone. I really feel markets trying to travel, but still I won't give you a big trade. Small trade, go for a small trade, a very small. And do not forget this one very specific thing, that we are doing BTC future contract, future trading. This is not spot trading. We are not doing spot trading over here. I am telling you regarding future trading, not a spot trading. Understand this thing clearly, okay? Spot trading we are doing. Sorry, future trading we are doing. We are not doing spot trading. Okay. Okay, that's our TP, take profit. But my guessings are market can fall more. My real guessings are that market can fall more. This is one of those day where you can actually earn a lot of good profit today as well. So do not forget to take a trade, guys. I know you are busy at your office, you're working right now, but take 5 minutes, 5 minutes of that job and earn a good money. This is a point where you can earn a good money. This is a point every person should be on a call calling their client like, hi, hello, this is a time where you can earn a good amount of. Let's go. How about we put an entry on every platform? We put on Ethereum as well, Solana as well, XRP as well, all three. Today I can clearly see there are very less people on the chart. There are very less people on the live stream. Very less people on the live stream. Everybody is working. Nobody's doing trading today or what? Or everybody had a loss on sat in the home or what? Sitting home is not gonna get your whatever lost money come back. Understand this one. Okay, risk management is a very crucial point which you should be learning regarding. Today we will be taking a trade. We took a trade, a small trade we took, and we are having a profit. Okay, we are having profit as well, and I want this same profit for you to have as well. So please make sure that you are going for a trade today. Today is a good day to take a trade. We can take a trade with these people as they are doing sell. That's a very good point for us to enter. हाँ मेरा भाई, ये तो नोटों की सरकार है ना. Who is not taking trade? Everybody should be taking trade. Any chart pattern? No. We just went for the trend, just trend. Sometimes such situation happen in the market where you have to just look at the trend, what kind of trend a market is following, and never take a trend against the trend. Never take a trade against the trend. That is just going to make you lost, because if you go against the trade, the market can, you never know, the volatility of the market is like that. The bitcoin's volatility is like that if you go against the trend, it will eat your whole capital account and you will not be even knowing where your capital account went. So be very active regarding where and how you can take a trade. Never ever go against the trend. Never. Right now trend is going for downtrend, we are going for downtrend, that's all. If you understand this point, like for example, right now if I go in lower time frame, like for example, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. In 15-minute time frame, what is market doing? First wave, third, fourth, fifth. No, no, no. Really, this is happening in the fifth minute, 15 minute. Such confusing. This can be a high, this can be a low, lower high, lower low, and another. This is lower high, and another lower low is about to be made. A little again, market will may go up and then again come down. Slowly, slowly, I feel it will travel to the fair value gap. Slowly, slowly, it will travel to the fair value gap. See, 1 hour gives us such a clean chart. And if you really, really, really want to make a good amount of investment, you should go for 1 hour time frame, because it is very clean, don't have any noises in between, gives a clear indication of doing what and every of those things. Okay, this fair value gap I have kept it for just in case if the market shows some rejection from the fair value gap. So I need another fair value gap for my this like to see the whole market is down. I am very full, like I'm not saying full, but I'm 80% confident that market may go to the demand day one demand zone, which is basically 109,731. I don't know why, but I just feel it, feel it. It may come like this, have some rejection, and like this. May happen, may happen, may. TP means take profit, okay? I hope you understand this jargons and every other short forms. TP is take profit. SL means stop loss. So please understand these situations. We are already in $263 profit. Already in $263 profit. And still going on 263 and 250 and still going on. The profit is still rising. $155. What happened? Why people are not entering today? Is it because of Monday and the timing? 12 to 4. I know, I get it. 12 to 4. It's 12 to 4. Timing is 12 to 4. Very hard timing to enter in the market. $269. The market dropped. Profit $269. Guys, don't lose these profits. Do not lose this profit. Earn these profits. This is a very good amount for you to enter at this point. Your TP is over here. Very simple, very easy. Don't lose this opportunity of the take profit or a downside. Yesterday also we did a sell trade. Today also there is a sell trade. It's not a buy trade till now. It's just a sell and sell and sell trade. Okay. So keep on selling, keep on selling. Hello, new people. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Welcome. We have taken a sell side trade, and I want you also to take a sell side trade because today the market is just having a rejection to rejection. If you want to enter for the sell side, wait for some bottom rejection. Okay, some bottom rejection from here. Let the market go little more up. I've entered at this point. Okay, you can wait for a little more up, and your take profit can be 112050, and you can take trade directly from the live streams. There are two options in the bottom over there. One is deposit, one is live stream. You don't have to go to home page and then take a trade and every of those things. Okay, these options are made just for your easy, like to make your work easy, to make your work fast. Okay, just take a trade at that point itself. Go for sell side. The take profit will be 112050 is your take profit. That's your take profit from the market. Okay, and to deposit as well, you can just click it on the live stream thing itself. You don't have to go to the home page and then do the deposit. It makes it faster. That's why the options are right next to right inside the live stream to make your work fast. Okay, see again the peak rejection, like bottom rejection has happened from the market. So probably let it go as much as up, and then you can go for the sell side. The TP take profit is 112050. That's your take profit. Till there market will reach, I have strong belief, because we are sitting at 4 hour fair value gap at that moment. Market may come to this, have some rejection from here. So tapping this line is an definite thing. Okay, and for a long term, for a very long term, I really feel that market may can travel to the 1 hour demand zone. See, this is our 1 hour demand zone. If I change my time frame to 1 hour, this is where market may can travel again. First, market made a demand, went up, came down again. From there it came down, and now we are having again another rejection. This rejection may can come to the 1 hour demand zone again, like the first and the second time, exactly like this. Or maybe there might be some liquidity under it which may can be tapped. So for a long term, not right now, okay, do not go for right now, but I just think it's a possibility of a market to go till the 1 day demand zone. It might take days, okay, it might take time. It won't happen the next hour or the next day. It might take 2 to 3, 4 to 5 days to reach to the 1 hour demand zone. That's what I feel, which may can happen in the market soon, that reaching to 1 hour demand zone, because this both are actually equal lows. You have seen what equal lows does to the market. It's going 1 hour time frame again. Right now we are going for a small trade. Later on we'll go for a big trade. Okay, I hope people are understanding what I'm trying to say. If there is any language issues, please do tell me. Okay, hello new user, welcome to the live stream. We have taken a sell trade. Okay, you went. Hello, new user. Welcome to the live stream of the Zbit platform. We have taken a sell trade for the downfall of the market because that's what being continued. Okay, take profit I have given you is 112050. That's your take profit. You can put your take profit over there. And for entry, see, right now market is going down. Some closely observe the market. Whenever you see some buyer entered and that body became little up, that's the point where we learn. See, the 5 minute 1 hour another candle is gonna form, little it will go up. See, it is going up, it's going up, it's going up. Let it go up. At that point, enter at the highest price. So when you do the selling, you will get the most profit. And take a trade from the live stream itself. You have two options down there. One is deposit, one is take a trade. You don't have to go to home page and then take a trade. It will save your time. Okay, see, right now market has taken a bit up. From there again little rejection is happening, so my wet. Hello, new user. Welcome to the live stream. We have taken a sell trade for the market. Try to go for a sell side. Plus, before that, do a deposit. Deposit can be done from the live stream thing itself. Do not, you don't have to go to any different place. You can do it from that place itself. Sorry. Moshi mosh. What up? Amaiwa. Monkey deal. Kaizoku. Naruto. See, it went up. It went up. This might be your chance to have an entry for sell side. Okay. This might be your chance for your sell entry. The market is falling, falling. The time it went to this point, that was your key to enter in the market. That was exactly your key to enter in the market. And the market went up here. You have to understand that whenever market gives you that moment of little buy, you should take it. You should be taking it. Okay. I will take 15-minute break, guys. I will be back. But before leaving, I'm telling you this one thing. If you see some rejection upward, go for sell side, put your take profit at this point. This is your take profit right over here. I've told you 112050 is your take profit. Go for the sell side, but enter after some bottom rejection. Okay, do not enter at whatever the market price is going on. Wait for a moment, you will get that moment. A little, see, as you can see right now, it is trying to go up. Buyers are entering. Let the buyers enter. That's your point to enter in the market. Okay, I will come back in 15 minutes. Do not worry about this, okay? Do not worry about the market is little going up. Totally fine. That's totally fine. It will come down. It's just giving us new entries. That's all. Do not worry about this small stuffs. It will tap into the fair value gap. It's just giving us a good new entries to make. Wait. What's happening in Ethereum? Ethereum is also having the same rejection from the market. Ethereum, let's go for the daytime. Check out where Ethereum is standing. This was a demand zone of Ethereum. Right now we are at a fair value gap of Ethereum. Checking out Ethereum, a day fair value gap. Let's go to 2 hours. Fair value gap projections. FVG of day time. Here, fair value gap projections we are having. Highest target we can reach is this point of the Ethereum. This is also a fair value gap to fair value gap trading. See, every day you get to observe a new types of trading. Yesterday we did chart pattern. Before that we did a structure. Today we might end up doing fair value gap to the fair value gap trading. Okay, fair value gap to fair value gap. But I cannot be assured of just one candle if the market is going to go completely. Okay, we will see. We will see. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Everyone is going for buy. Like even Solana, yes, even Solana is going for buy. Let's go for 1 day of Solana. Sitting at a 1 hour fair value gap. Demand zone is way below of Solana. I seriously believe we can reach a demand zone. Demand zone reaching is very, very possible. Still, there are too much things yet to get liquidated. This is the demand zone of the fair value gap, fair demand zone of Solana, 1 day demand zone. Okay. Even though we had some rejection, that may be from some, still this much is yet to get liquidated. If it's having a little pushback, that is okay, because pushbacks are very important for market can never go in one straight direction like this. It will always travel like this, a little up, also this, a little up, also this, a little up. So whatever we are seeing that right now a little buying is coming, that is just a rejection which is facing from the from the buyers. The buyers are doing some buyings, that's why some bottom rejection we are facing, that's all. It's nothing that trend is changing or something like that. Okay. Or maybe a chart pattern is forming. There are high chances a bullish sorry, a high chances, there are high chances that a bearish pennant may fall, may form. Okay, there might be a chart pattern formation going on at right now bit of time. Either a chart pattern or just a minute rejection, retracement of the market, and again it will fall down. If I just plot these things over here, 0.2. Market can go up to 0.2 to have a rejection. Okay. Cream. And if we go for sell side, I'm thinking the safe trade will be this line for take profit, because this is a longer lower wick where a lot of people have bought. Their stop losses are somewhere here itself, somewhere over in near, very near to this, very near to this one are their stop losses. Okay, very near to that zone, their stop losses are sitting very near to that zone. This part, this downward part is yet to be liquidated. Downward part should be liquidated, but let's see. From here we might have a minute rejection. Okay, if the market goes to the top side, we can have a minute rejection from here. Today is a fair value gap trade day. I really feel today is a fair value gap trade day. Luba entered and exited. Bitcoin crypto market shares over 150 million daily as altcoin, and Bitcoin bleed out. Do not get turned off. The camera is getting turned off often. Making another green candle. It will be little hard for us to understand the market at this point. We are very near the rejection. Rejection happened, went up, downside rejection, and then a little buyer came, but still seller were there in the market, tried to push it there, but buyers took over. How long can buyer take over? That's the only point. If buyer takes over for a longer period of time, then we might get stuck in the sideways market over here. What if a little consolidation can form over here? Just buyers and sellers fighting, just buyers and sellers fighting at this point. Just buyers and sellers fighting with each other. That's all. Nothing else. Okay. See again, rejection. Same thing. It's just like making the trade more harder and harder and harder. Even if it goes up, that is just our another point for entry, another point for us to enter in the market. I know, not this, not this, not this. I want to put Fibonacci retracement just to check. 0.2 and 0.3 rejections are okay for a retracement. Okay. 0.2 and 0.3 retracements are okay for the market. That is possible. It can happen in the market. Oh, actual forecast. Okay. Unit charging. I'll provide you charging. So 23rd of September will be our Fed Jeremy Powell's speech. And then again, durable good orders MOM, I don't know what it is, GDP growth rate, and personal income, order PCE price, personal spending MOM. A lot of new newses will be coming forward in our upcoming days. 23rd, 25th, 25th, and 26th. 23rd, 25th, and 26th, a new good news is, I don't know if it will be good or bad, but news will be coming for sure. Even after the interest rate been cut, even after the interest rate been cut down by 25, still the market is showing a very downfall movement. See, this may be a very great tactics for the liquid trap. He knows that after the 25% cut, a lot of people will go for buy side because that's what the market told us. If 25% cut happens, people will enter a good for buying side. 50% happen, more people will enter for buy side. This was the perfect example. This was a perfect chance for market to throw such huge movement for downfall to grab a lot of people's liquidity. This is like it's always a mastermind game of the market. You can never know what he wants to do. You can never know what and how to trick him. Even though you we have a lot of concepts, even though we have a lot of tricks, we know how they do it and every of those things, but understanding market to the fullest is always the most hardest point. It through the I understood because of the chart pattern and also this two equal lows. That's what I was going for. A downfall was captured, and I don't think this is a place where the market will settle at this point. I really think that it will go deep, go more down again. This is not a point. Welcome new user, welcome to the live stream of the um, zb.com. I suggest today to trade for the sell side of the market. Try to make the market, try to see if the market is making you come to the highest point level, and from there go for the sell side. You can come, your take profit can be near this fair value gap, small profit, because today market is very indecision. We already had a huge downfall. Maybe after this, a little cool off period will come. Market will never give you straight downfall against straight downfall against straight downfall. It's always downfall, sideways, downfall, sideways. Okay. So after a good downfall, maybe market will go sideways. But I really think fair value gap will be touched. That's why your take profit can be 112050 can be your take profit for sell side. Okay. And for deposit, I mean, let me tell you this one very specific thing. In a live stream, there are two buttons, deposit and take a trade. You can put your deposit at that point itself. You don't have to go anywhere else. You can just do it from that point itself. It will save your time. It will save, because if you exit, then go to home page, then deposit will take too much time. Just click on that on the live stream. Whenever you enter, if you want to deposit, just click on that. It will be very easy for you to deposit. It will be time saver thing for you for taking trade and every of those things, because you know how fast a market works, how fast the market goes and every of those things. Okay. And any language issue, if you want me to talk in Hindi, I can talk in Hindi as well. Okay. It's just like we also have some people international, that's why I opt to speak in English. But if you want, I can speak in Hindi as well. Okay. Don't have such things. There should not be any language barrier between us. On Ethereum, fair value gap to fair value gap trading is possible, but I'm also in this situation. How many sellers are there in the market? Even if I check RSI will be showing an overbought situation only, right? Oversold, sorry, oversold situation. Complete oversold situation. Anytime market can change, but it is not showing any single sign for it to change. This is one of those market where we should sit and watch. This is one of those market to just sit and watch. Crypto investment product draws 1.9 billion in weekly inflow after Fed cuts. What happened? Managed asset, managed asset. This is the big recorded a net inflow of 1.9 billion for the second. After the strong inflow. But even after inflow, there are so many downfall of the market we have seen right now. Those related to this, okay. Weekly asset inflow. So many people are investing so much money into the market. I'm waiting for my close point to enter in the market, a very close point for me to enter in the market. We'll find very, very soon. User 337870. What's your name, brother slash sister, whosoever you are? My name is Yash, and I'm a live stream host at zibit.com. It would be nice if we interact each other, know each other better, so that and Solana. Solana again went. This was green a while ago. Again went down. I really feel every coin will be traveling to the demand zone. Even Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin, I feel, will travel to the demand zone. This is the 1 day demand zone sitting at this point. I really feel that they will travel. See, it is just it came down. It consolidate a little. Again, it is doing the same thing. Consolidate a little, and again, it will have a downfall. That's what I believe, that it will have the same thing what happened over here. Downfall, downfall, sideways, downfall, sideways. Let's see. One day demand zone may get achieved today or tomorrow. That's what my thoughts are. Market is traveling back again to its demand zone. Do click on the deposit, okay? Be ready to deposit, because I really feel a new good downfall is about to come. So do deposit into your capital account so that you can earn a good amount of money. Since 2 days I have given you the best trade. Day before I gave you the trade which was basically this downfall. I told you that this is a head and shoulder pattern which I can feel. I told you to enter at the breakout, and you can clearly see how big of a breakout we achieved. If you would have entered, if you would have came to my live stream tomorrow, I would have made you so much of money. Today I'm aiming for the same exact thing to make you so much of money. Day one, almost 100 to $200 was cashed in. Day two was almost like this huge trade. I told you the take profit is just this because of the this two situations. Equal lows was there. I felt market will go down to grab the liquidity. So yesterday also we saw almost 200 to $500 profit. This time, today, I'm trying to give you a trade. So be aware of this market today. Today is also a day where we can earn a good amount of money every day. So please make sure that you're depositing. Click on that deposit option. You don't have to go to the home page. Okay, you don't have to go to the home page. You can click on the deposit from that point itself. It will save your time for entry. It will seriously save your time for entry. Okay. I am in, sir. You are in. Nice. Good. Which side of trade you took? You say you took sell side, right? Please tell me you took sell side trade, because sell is what is going to happen. And can I know your name as well? My name is Yash. I really love if you call me just Yash. I don't want you to call me sir and all. Okay. Let's be friends. I don't want you to have like those kind of relationship of sir and this. We are same, brother. We are totally same with each other. So please do tell me your name as well. What's your name? And my name is Yash. I'm a live stream host over here for zbit.com. Let's not have that sir and sir kind of relationship. Don't like it. Brother, do deposit, okay? But do deposit. Soon a trade will come very fast. I'm just waiting for this sideways thing to end. Once this sideways thing end, same like this, we'll get another cool downfall. That's what I'm waiting for, okay? So the trade will come soon. My name is John from Nigeria. Hello, John from Nigeria. Thank you so much for joining this live stream and being a part. Soon a trade will come. I'm just see, same thing is happening, John. The market is pulling down, then a sideways, pulling down, another sideways. Let's wait for this sideways to over so that we can enter for a good side. Okay, John? But before that, if you didn't deposit till now, please deposit, John, and save your time rather than going to the home page and deposit. In the live stream we can see two options over there: take profit and deposit. Those are made specially for all of you people so that you can save time of going to the home page and every of those things. Okay, so do deposit from that icon itself to save time. John, are you a daily trader? Do you trade daily, or it's like once a week, once a month kind of trader, or you trade daily? And what kind of leverage also you use? Please do tell me about that, because every capital should have a different leverage. If like it differs, what if I am doing a trading? Okay, sir. Yeah, thanks again, sir. John, I told you, bro, I am not a sir. Just call me Yash. That's fine. Yash is YASH. That's all. Keep it simple. I'm your brother, bro, not a sir. Waiting for it. Same thing I'm waiting for this as well. It is also having a little rejection from the market, and Solana is also having the same thing. But main thing, I'm really feeling that they are all gonna go for downside. This bottom rejection which we saw about the lower wick, it just for us to fool. It just for us to fool that a buying has came. The same thing what they did. Do you know the US did the Fed cut? The interest rate was got cut. Okay, I will tell you some scenarios. Okay, interest rate cut 25% from the market, right? 25% cut. A lot of people said that let's go for buy, buy, buy. A lot of people went for buy situation. That gave market a chance. That everybody went for buy. Let's make the market pull down all, and we'll get a lot of liquidity. Today today in just 1 hour, 1.06 billion dollar was liquidated from the market. 1.06 billion worth of trades with a big leverage was liquidated from the market today. So I really feel today going for buying is a very wrong decision to take. Try to enter from the most highest point. Always try to enter from the most highest point of the market. Shady, shady. Again, same thing and same thing and same thing. Again and again, the same thing is happening. May it can go up to the fair value gap and tap in and come down. There are chances for this. Or do you feel this is a buy thing gonna happen? That lot of things are liquidated now, buying will happen. That's not the case. Shall we plan an entry from the fair value gap? Or is it trying to make a new demand zone of the market? Confusions, confusions, confusions. Possible. Fair value gap rejection is very possible. Who are these people who are doing the buying? Why are they doing a buy? Hello, 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 people. Welcome. Welcome to the live stream. It's one of those days where we don't know what to do in the market until this stupid phase goes off. Hello, new user. Welcome to the live stream of the cbit.com. My name is Yash, and I'm a live stream host over here. I'm trying to decide whether to go for buy, whether to go for sell. I'm thinking we can plan a sell entry after the market goes to fair value gap. From here, a rejection may come. That's what I'm planning to do. Is buying happening in everywhere or just no? Everywhere, everywhere. Even in Ethereum, buying happened. A very good buying happened. Fair value gap. From exactly fair value gap, the buying happened. Today, limit orders are getting executed. People's limit orders are getting executed. Everybody is traveling to the fair value gap. And I don't want to do the buy trade right now. I really am not interested in doing a buy trade right now. The most risky trade will be a buy trade only in the market, right? All the buyers who bought at the Fed cut time, when the Fed cut happened, 25%, 0.25% thing happened. At that time, a lot of people went for buy. They are facing nightmare today about from the liquidation of the market, and I don't want to be part of them. It's fine if I relax, sit, watch market patiently, and take a trade rather than just going very close, very close, very close, very close, very close. Let's go, let's go. I hope our Zbit customers, our Zbit clients had no loss yesterday because I already predicted this thing. I already told them a downfall is coming. Not this big, but at least I predicted till here a downfall is coming. I gave you sell entry. I hope that other than every other platform, Zbit platforms, players, traders were safe yesterday. A downfall is gonna come. A downfall came. Make me see. Hello, hello, new user. What's your name? My name is Yash. I'm planning for an entry for downside. I really think one Retracement is coming down. Yeah, now this one retracement will come like this and a downfall will continue. That's what I'm thinking. This small thing market went up is not a buy situation. It is just a small retracement which is coming in the market. Once the market taps to that situation, the fair value gap will go for again a downside thing. Okay, till that point, do not forget to deposit and make yourself available for trade. Deposit, you don't have to go to the home page in the live stream. That there itself you see two options, two icons: deposit and take a trade. It is made only for you people to save time. So do tap on that thing and deposit. Okay, a good sell entry is about to come. A very good sell entry will come. Make sure that you are taking trade. Yesterday I told you this entry, a head and shoulder chart pattern. From here downfall will happen. I predicted today's downfall. Yesterday itself I told you to go for sell side. Once you hear a neckline breakout, this was a neckline breakout, and from here I told you to enter for downside. Okay, so make sure today as well the same thing is going to happen. We are doing a downtrend structure trading. Higher high, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low is about to be made, and from there again we will make another lower low. Okay, so be ready to take a trade. Do deposit, click on that deposit icon which you can see over there, and be ready to take a trade. Because most of the people I've seen, they lose an opportunity to take a trade because the deposit is not ready, have not received, and blah blah scenario. Okay, thanks. Yeah, sure. You're welcome. And very soon I'll drop my Telegram link tomorrow. For sure I will drop my Telegram link. We can become one community where we can take, it's like 4 hours I'm here, but after 4 hours if there is some update I can drop on that Telegram channel for sure. Okay, so please join the Telegram tomorrow. Let them go up. Let them go up. A retracement is about to come. Same retracement. I really don't think it can go for a downfall this fast. Hello, hello, new users. Welcome to the live stream of zibit.com. We are waiting for a retracement to over. This is a retracement. After that, we'll have a downfall. We'll go for a sell entry after this. Okay, just wait for the retracement to come. Nothing else. That's all we have for today. A sell entry. Let's go for the sell entry. Let's see what we can do in the market today. I really hope for the sell side to entry to come in the market. XRP goes head to head with Bitcoin with this metric as South Korean market wakes up. XRP, what's happening with XRP? Same movements, same exact movements are happening everywhere, wherever you see, same exact movements are happening. Even XRPs are showing the same reaction. Ethereum as well, I feel, and Bitcoin as well. Yeah. But main focus is on Bitcoin. Everybody's main focus is on Bitcoin. When the retracement will be over? I have the same question, brother. Hello, new user. Welcome to the live stream of Cbit. We are waiting for the retracement. This is the retracement which will go from somewhere from the fair value gap. A downfall will again start. It's just making a structure of downfall, which is high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. That's what we are doing today for the trading. Make sure that your deposit is ready so that we can take a trade fast. Okay. Do not just watch the market, take a trade, add some value in that wallet, have some positive trades, and take advantage of this live stream, because this live stream is for you to take advantage of. Please do take advantage of this live stream and earn a lot of good amount of money. What happened here? This is all news. Everybody just talking about what happened today, what happened today, today this happened, today that happened. We all know what happened today. Hello, new user. Welcome to the live stream of zb.com. We are waiting for the retracement. Soon a sell trade we will do. We are waiting for this and this. Same thing which happened over here. went up a little, then fall down. Again, a small retracement will happen and again will fall down. So we are waiting for sell side entry. Make sure that you are tapping on the deposit icon, which you can see on the live stream, and deposit money before taking trade. Okay. Do not lose this very good opportunity. Yesterday as well, I gave you this trade. Yesterday was my this trade and head and shoulder pattern I saw. This was a head and shoulder pattern which I saw on the market, and this was the trade which I gave you already. Okay, yesterday's trade was this. A lot of people earned a lot of profit. You don't be in that position where you are not taking a trade and not gaining a profit. Take advantage of a live stream host. Take advantage of Yash. My name is Yash. Don't take advantage of. To deposit, click on that deposit icon because that is made for your that thing, what you can say, to save your time rather than going to the home page, then doing the deposit and then coming back. It's better you can do deposit and save your time, and also take profit option is also right over there. Make me harder. I want to go washroom fast, but I'm waiting for all of you people. Hello, new user. Welcome again back. Welcome back, John. Welcome back, John. Still waiting for the trade. Still waiting for the trade, John. Don't worry. It will come somewhere from here. Like this. Down, retrace, down, retrace, down. Okay. Have patience. I really feel the main goal of the market is to go down to this demand zone. It can go to demand zone, to be very, very fair. La, la, la. Na, 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 na. It's so boring to watch market. Like when you will make movement. I wanna see smartphone concept. Lux algo. Change of character. Why something is not applied over change of character, BOS, or any kind of shits of structure because of said downtrend, 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 breakout. change of character, downtrend, breakout, clean breakout. Weak low. It represents a weak low over here. It's telling that this is a very weak. It cannot. It can be destroyed. It cannot cross. It can cross. That's what it's saying. Weak low means that only. There is no low power mode. Then why it is getting off? Don't get off. I'll come back in 5 minutes, guys. Sure. I'll come back in 5 minutes. Just give me 5 minutes. Arjun. I'm back. Sorry, guys. Urgent washroom. Na, 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 na. Even if you saw a little downfall from the market right now, do not enter right now. Okay, we'll enter properly from the fair value gap. Properly from this fair value gap, we will enter. Hello, new user. Welcome to the live stream of the ZBit platform. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Rejection we are facing, but still, let's wait. For tomorrow we'll wait for the news, some news. Maybe tomorrow we can see the market is coming to the demand zone. Let's see. This is a consolidation phase which is happening right here. A whole consol. This is a whole consolidation phase which is happening right here. This from this point to this point is a consolidation phase where market is trying to go sideways over here. Wait for the decision timing, because see, not all the time there are buyers, not all the time there are sellers. Some point they have to see what kind of fight they are gonna have. Till this point there were good sell, but from over here a buyer entered. What happened? Red side rejection, but wait. I will notify all of you people when to enter. Same thing happening everywhere or what? What about Ethereum? Okay. Solana. Okay. XRP. Same. Everywhere, same situations is happening. Same situations everywhere. Sometimes I don't understand how come every time there are same kind of situation happening everywhere. Everywhere there is the same situations. Last 25 minutes. After this 25 minutes, we'll check out where the candle is closing. If it's closing good, not good. If it turns out to be a hammer candle, then we might have a situation that where a trend change can happen. Hammer candle indicates that trend change is happening. Okay. It will looks like exactly like this. Like this and a hammer. This is a hammer candle. Whenever a hammer candle is forming in a downtrend, there are chances that rejection from down for seller rejection will happen and buyer will enter in the market. Okay. Hello, welcome Jagannath. Welcome to the live stream of Zbit. I am waiting for the entry. I'm thinking we should enter. You're from India. Okay. I'm waiting for an entry because according to what happened yesterday, this is what I'm waiting for. A little retracement, same like this. Retracement is happening over here. From there, we may can see market is traveling down again. My yesterday's trade, if you were there, if you were not there for yesterday's trades, I feel sad for you because yesterday was very good trade. I told every people that a head and shoulder pattern is visible, and from the neckline we should go for the downside, and that's this is what we captured yesterday. This was captured. Today again we'll capture same thing for continuous 2 days. We are giving, I'm giving you profit to profit to profit. Yesterday was a big profit. Let's see for today waiting for entry. But even if after, like, let's say after 25 minutes I'll be going from here. Okay, after 25 minutes when I go, if the market comes to this fair value gap somewhere between, it will give you a sell point. Okay, go for sell side. After that you can have this fair value gap as your take profit. This fair value gap, which is basically 112050, you can keep a safe side rather than going for yeah, 112050. Can you see that fair value gap price over here in the side corner of the price column? 112050 can be a take profit when it starts falling from here. Okay, let it go up, let it have the retracement. Do not enter at the retracement. But yesterday was a good trade. Just one chart pattern and we had a very good trade. Please make sure that you are coming to this live stream every day, because this live stream is for this, for you to take a help from us regarding market, how to analyze it, every of those things. And before taking trade, right now we are not getting entry, but I'll tell you this one thing: tap on that deposit and deposit an amount so that we can take a trade soon. Hmm. And make sure that you're doing future trading. Okay, I'm not telling you about spot trading. This is about future trading. You have to go for future trade, not the spot trade. And whenever you come on the live stream, sometimes what happens that we trade very fast, right? So there are two options below you. Use those to save the time rather than going out of the live stream, going to the home page, then deposit and come back. You can do it from the live stream itself. Those options are there only for your better use so that you can use it very quickly. A quick access to the deposit and a quick access to the trading is right there below two options. You can check, you can click on those, you can check everything. Let's wait for deposit and a trade. In longer picture, this might happen in a longer picture. Okay, downtrend, retracement, downtrend, retracement, downtrend. It might happen in longer picture. And whenever you want to read any chart, any coin, doesn't matter which coin it is, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, any meme coin, always make sure that you are reading 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 or 4 hour. This chart pattern will tell you very accurately what you can expect the next. In smaller charts, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, it makes you very confusing because a lot of time there are like just like see clean idea of like this is a downtrend, clean downtrend. If I just shift this thing to a 5 minute, it will be very confusing, like I don't know what is happening over here. Can you see? Don't know what is happening. In 1 hour you can get a very clean idea about what is happening. So make sure whenever you are reading any chart, always go on higher time frame, 1 hour, 2 hour, three, always. Early fall, this is an early fall. It will trigger you to do a sell, but do not go for sell. This is just an early fall. Market does such kind of trap for you to make that you are getting trapped over here. Just do never, whenever you see a little red side, just don't go for sell side, because right now sellers are there. What if after 5 minutes again buyer comes and again push the market up, right? Hello, welcome to the new live stream of Exhibit. We are waiting for the trade to come. We are looking at a downtrend situation which is happening right now. Our take profit will be very simple at 112050 is our take profit. Like I said to you, let's have small profit. That's all. See, again, the same thing happened. Like I told you, do not go for sell right now only. That specific point, there were sellers in the market which pushed the market down. Again, the buyer came. Again, it will make it up. Same thing I'm telling you. Just don't enter whenever you feel you want to. Always wait for the moments. Last 12 minutes. After this 12 minutes, we will see what kind of candle we'll see. We'll be noticing over here. I thought this will look like an engulfing candle, but this is not even an engulfing candle. Okay, but let's see. Hello, user. Welcome to the live stream. Do not forget to deposit an amount to take trade. You can see the options just below the live stream. Tomorrow I will provide you with an Telegram, sorry, not Instagram, Telegram account. Make sure that you are taking that Telegram account, joining that account. I will be available over there. We can have one-on-one conversations as well at the Telegram account. I'll make sure I make that Telegram account today itself. Hmm. Welcome, new users. Welcome to the live stream of CBIT. We are waiting for the retracement to over and a downfall to start so that we can take sell trade. Before that, take a deposit, make a deposit, so that we can enter for sell side faster. And make sure that we are doing what? We are doing future trade. In the Zbit app, do future trade, no spot. It's a future trade. Okay. Deposit and we'll do the future trade. Welcome, new user. Make a deposit and wait for a trade. Yes, 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 yes. What happened to the network? Network looks good. Hello. I think this is my time to leave all of you people. Okay, cool. So today the trade didn't happen, but after me going, if market taps to the fair value gaps somewhere over here and then starts falling from the fair value gap, go for an entry and keep your stop loss, sorry, keep your take profit at this, which is basically a 112050 will be your take profit. Okay, SL you can keep short, keep a short SL, not a big SL. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow, same timing. And I want to give you all my Telegram. I'll give you tomorrow so that even after the live stream, we are connected through that app. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much, all the people, for joining this live stream. Means a lot. And take advantage as much as you possible. Take advantage of this live stream. I can teach you regarding trading as well, how to do it, every of those things. You just one little effort it needs. That comment what you need to learn. Comment, tell me what you need from me, gain knowledge from me. Okay, bye bye everybody, thank you so much for joining this live stream.